Cleaning the printhead of an Epson XP-2205. It's actually nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself with a single button press, and there's no need to involve an attached PC or laptop. So to begin the clean, we need the printer on, and we simply need to hold down this button here for a full 5 seconds. So here we go. And release. Now this will take the printer just a minute. You'll hear lots of whirring and clicking happening. And what your printer's doing is forcing ink through the printer's printhead, which is what regulates the flow of ink, to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be causing print quality issues. Whilst the clean is going on, you'll see this power light flashing, meaning that it's still working. But when it stops flashing, you know the cleaning is complete, and you can carry on using your printer. As you are presumably cleaning the printhead due to a print quality issue, I'd recommend doing a nozzle check now just to check the result of your clean. And you can carry on in circles doing cleans and test pages until you see an improvement in your print quality. We have a separate video for the test pages on our channel, so I'd recommend checking that out if you don't already know how to do it. Please do leave a like if you found this video useful. If you have anything else to add, please do drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.